Okay, this is what I got out of it with the 50 Nature Boy being in court today. See, his attorney didn't do no work whatsoever. You could just tell he didn't. He thought that, this was just an open shut case. Now that's where he fucked up. You know what I'm saying? He thinking he didn't use law whatsoever. He didn't use law whatsoever. He pretty much just saying shit. He pretty much just going with what the story was and thinking, oh, because of this and she said that, well, that means this. Nigga, you were in court, you fucking idiot. I'm glad he didn't do his homework. You could tell he didn't do his homework. There was no law spoken whatsoever during his time when he was talking. The state broke it down. She named all the laws. This is the law for this. This is why this is a felony. This is why this needs to be this. This is why that needs to be that. According to the state of law, she's saying the law. She's saying the statutes. She's saying why it shouldn't be a misdemeanor and why it should be a felony. Why it should stay a felony. I mean, his attorney. Good. I'm glad he didn't do it. So now that it goes to trial, right? Imagine all the other shit that's about to come out in trial. Imagine all the other shit that is about. There's no way he can wiggle. There is no way that Nature Boy's attorney can get out of this evidence that's about to slap his ass. You know what I'm saying? With that hand, with the motherfucking powder in the middle of the palm. How that shit's gonna slap the shit out of him. He ain't gonna be able to get up out of that. Because this now is more evidence that's about to come out against him. And now that a jury is involved, it's about facts, evidence, and law. Facts, evidence, and law. How are you going to rebut all of these facts? How are you going to do that? How? She done already gave you a sample of how she moving. Yeah, you're going to have to do a little bit more homework for his attorney. Because there is no way you could come in there with this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G shit. You know what I'm saying? Damn. And 50 sitting there like all agreeing with the fucking detective because the detective said the things he wanted to hear. Yeah, he's shaking his head agreeing and shit. Just because she said, he did say that it was for, teaching purposes and this was for, it was consensual and all this other shit. First of all, Nature Boy, if you going to be doing this shit, do it. Why you acting like this now? Just go on and take this shit. You sure wasn't thinking about the law or going to jail or anything, trial, jury, evidence, law, when you was doing this shit. So why now? Why is it putting the one finger up like you in church and you need to be excused to go to the fucking bathroom? I mean, like, is you serious? Nah, keep that same energy. You know damn well you wasn't in that house doing shit for teaching purposes and doing it for what you trying to make it seem like you was doing it for. You want motherfuckers lying for you so you could get out and go do the same motherfucking thing and maybe worse shit when you get out? Come on now, 50. Is you serious, nigga? Nah, go on and take that shit like a man, right? Take that shit like God. Yeah, won't you do that? Fuck you sitting there putting your finger up for. And I'm glad that judge like, you sure ain't got no motherfucking question for me, right? Yeah, why you going around calling motherfucking bitches and talking about you this and you about to beat their ass if they don't do that? Yeah, nigga. What happened to all that? Huh? Why you trying to clear this shit up now? That means you doing something wrong. Look, that means you doing something wrong. Right? Yeah. You doing something wrong, nigga. You ain't the law. You ain't above the law. You fucking idiot. And I know this attorney that the state got, she on her shit. Yeah, she on her shit. Yeah, I'm confident in her. Yeah, you can't come in here with this old bullshit, this elementary ass defense and shit. Nigga, you gonna have to do better than that. And nigga, you gonna have to spend a lot of days and nights up until this trial to try to see how you gonna get up out of these charges when it comes, but by using facts, laws, and motherfucking evidence. Yeah. Yeah, where you gonna get that shit from? How you gonna do that? You can't go in there lying. Yeah, you can't go in there lying. How you gonna make something like this sound like it's not that? How you gonna do that? Ain't no way of getting around this shit. Ain't no way of getting around it. Nigga. Shit. And I hope they could bring other shit up. I hope the girl who whatever her name is, I hope she's sending them some more shit, evidence, videos. You know what I'm saying? I hope her ass sending them different shit. I hope they get that video. I know this case is pertaining to her, so I'm not sure if they even allow them to bring in other shit, just as far as like to show what type of person he is. You know, with the little kid, with him talking about what he did to the little kid, how he having sex in front of the little kid. I mean, all that other shit. Yeah, bring that shit in. Don't he? And then for this case with the Neytiri or whatever her name is, doesn't do he are the other cases no, they can't bring them together, huh? So those is whole different other trials too, or what? Are those some whole totally different trials, or they bringing this shit together as one trial, or they just focusing on this trial with the Neytiri and a charge for rape and imprisonment? Or, you know, can they bring other shit in as far as other shit? Then the man trying to make it seem like, oh, like it was just some casual ass bullshit. There ain't no casual ass bullshit. You can hear it in his voice that it ain't no casual. It ain't no casual shit. Why you trying to act like it's casual now, 50? Huh? And why didn't that detective, they couldn't even get a subpoena to go and shit, this is a trial. They couldn't get a subpoena to go and question them, interrogate they motherfucking asses. They could be held. They were supposed to be held with some charges too. Or what? So they get out of those. They should be held for something. They should be responsible for something too. Shit, he made them do it. They did it. Oh, just because they were scared and it's they scared, so that's why they did it. No, whoever else jumped in that shit and did what they do, they need to be held accountable as well. Yeah, why you couldn't go get no motherfucking warrant to go and probable cause or whatever the fuck you need from a judge to go and question them? They just got the right to say, oh no, I don't want to answer no questions, and they involved in some shit where this guy is being charged with fucking rape and imprisonment, and they a part of that shit. So they just get away with it because he made me do it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so what the fuck? Yeah, can they go? They gonna subpoena them? They gonna subpoena them in to go to court to go and answer these questions that way? You know, are they gonna subpoena the other people who was involved in this shit as far as the rape and the imprisonment and are they gonna subpoena them at least to come and be questioned on the stand? I mean, shit. Damn. Well, I'm so glad that he didn't do his homework. 50 boy attorney. Yeah, I'm so glad he didn't do his motherfucking homework. That nigga need to stay in jail. He looks stupid than a motherfucker with your dumb ass.